Hey guys, Ryan from Ministry Auto. Today we're going to install these Mini Cooper Gen 2 blackout kit covers for your chrome exterior door handles on the Mini Generation 2. First let's open up the box and see what's inside. Okay, so let's open up this Ministry Auto box. You can actually open it up with this cool little zipper on the top here, very mini, or the conventional way. We'll just crack into it. We've got the two handle covers here wrapped in some tissue paper. Very well protected. They also have this fine microfiber cloth protecting these guys. Also a plastic film that goes over the top as well, so no scratches or anything can happen during transport. Two-piece, obviously left and right. Driver's side has the door lock barrel, and this is the passenger side. They are reversible for all countries, left and right hand drive. So let's go outside and pop these on. What you want to do, guys, is clean this up with a little bit of alcohol spray. Not too much, don't use straight alcohol. This is a specialized spray for cleaning. It won't leave a residue and it'll make sure those things stick on real nice. So now we've got it all nice and clean, it's ready for fitment. What we'd have to do now is peel up the top layer, I don't know if you guys can see that properly, the top plastic layer, and just dog ear it so that you can access it after you've installed it, and I'll show you what I mean. So as you can see here, guys, this is what I mean by dog earing. I've folded up the plastic coverings for the 3M tape, just so once we put that onto the handle, we can then grab those pieces of tape and pull them all the way off. It just stops it from sticking prematurely in the wrong spot. So now we're going to place this on the handle. Got all the pieces of tape off. Just press firmly, make sure it tucks up tight up the top. It's most important. That's it, we're done.